welcome back to the channel. It's Candace. I am here on the balcony in the garden. Just wanted to give you guys an update on how things are coming along. I'll be honest, I haven't put as much attention into the garden as I would like so far, but despite that, things are growing. You can see these seedlings behind me that I need to up-pot and give away to folks, but let's get into it. And things aren't very organized right now, so excuse the condition of everything, but I just want to show you guys what's going on. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll say it now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so these are the seedlings you could see in the background behind me. I just noticed the wind just picked up, so I apologize if you can hear the blowing in the phone, but that is nature, right? So anyway, these are seedlings that some have been up-potted, as you can see, some have not. It's a mixture of broccoli, which is what this one is, some tomatoes. Let's see, this one's a money maker. This one is a Berkeley tie-dye. This one is a German pink. These are interesting. It's my first year growing these, and I can see like their leaves are different than all the other tomatoes. Like they're smoother, and these ones are more, I don't even know the term, I'll say jagged, but not quite jagged. And then the German pinks, they're more like a spade or something. I don't know the correct term. Then I also have some zinnias there. I'm not sure if I'll just trash those or not. I think some of the things aren't looking so good because it's been a while. Like they've just been in these smaller pots for too long. These are my green peppers that desperately need to be up-potted, which hopefully I can get done either today or in the next couple days. Then I have some seeds that haven't germinated. This is my second go at strawberries, and there's one that's germinated, but I don't see it now. It's in there somewhere, but oh, there it is. Really tiny, right there. The other strawberries I have planted, this is the second ones. I planted those maybe almost a month ago. The other ones just didn't make it, so we won't talk about that. These are some habanero peppers I planted probably about almost 3 weeks ago now. Nothing happening yet. Then there's more cabbages, more German pink, San Marzano tomatoes, and then this is one of the cucumbers. This is one of the first ones I planted. It already has a blossom. As you can see, I haven't up-potted it yet. So I think the best move is just to get rid of this for now. I think it's a little too early, so then the plant can focus on getting bigger. Oh, there's like a critter. And a school bus drive by. I'll leave him be. Alright, and then there's another cucumber here as well. This one was planted about a month after that one. So I'm gonna put the cucumber in a grow bag. I just bought some 5-gallon grow bags. My plan is to put the cucumbers in the 5-gallon grow bag there. So that's pretty much everything going on here. Then in my raised bed, this big thing here is some broccoli. There's another one behind it, but this one has kind of overshadowed it. So I'm debating if I want to just pull that one up, just to allow like more space and nutrients for the big broccoli. And it's also, they're pretty close together. And then down in here, there is beets planted. Detroit Red and Ruby Queen varieties. They're doing pretty well. Some of them are pretty shadowed by the broccoli, which I'm not sure if that's harming it or not, because you can see like this one's much smaller than this one, but I'm just gonna let it go since it's gonna be getting hotter. And I know beets don't like hot heat. I'm hoping like the shade from the broccoli will help the beets out. Then I have these wasabi radish. These are from those botanical interest seeds. They grow really fast. Like, I planted them just in this section, like 6 seeds, but then somehow one ended up over here. All right, then back on the other side, I haven't planted anything yet. I'm thinking about doing either spinach or lettuce, some kind of leafy green back there. I might put one of the green peppers over there, but I'm not quite sure yet. Over here, I planted some ginger that I had like wrapped up in a wet towel, paper towel, put it in a Ziploc bag and let it like start to grow some roots and sprouts. And then I put them in there. I think I may have buried them a little bit too deep because I'm not seeing anything. A few days ago, I actually dug where this one is, like right here. I actually dug down a few inches to see if anything was growing, and I couldn't even find it. So I'm not sure anything's gonna be there. I'm gonna just wait it out. Then I think this is a weed. I just didn't pull it. I wasn't sure if it was something. And then over here, I wasn't sure. I had planted dill in this corner last year. And sorry, I've said it in other videos. There's a fire station up the street from me. And I guess they just got a call, if you can hear that in the background. Urban gardening problems. But, okay, back to the garden. Last year I planted dill here, and at first I thought this may have been dill, but the more it's grown, it's just a weed. So I'm gonna pull it right now. I should be wearing gloves, but I wasn't planning on pulling up anything on this video. Yeah, I want to plant. I'll figure out some other things to plant. You know what? Let me just go ahead and grab this too. All right. So this is a Copenhagen cabbage I planted. This is a 7-gallon grow bag that is in. I wish I had up-potted it a little bit sooner because, you know, cabbage isn't quite a hot weather crop and it's about to get hot, so hopefully it can grow before it gets too hot here. I'm in zone 7B. And then I have some marigolds. These are dollar store seeds. Grew them last year and they did great. They're doing very well. And then these are all the sunflowers that I've planted. This variety is Autumn Beauty. Autumn Beauty, these are all Autumn Beauties. And then these are Russian mammoths here, but they're already, and again, they need to be up potted, but again, I was saying they're starting to get the head, so I don't know if they'll still get any taller once that happens. It's only happening so far on the Russian mammoths. So, and some of these are going to my friend's house for her new backyard. Just need to get them planted sooner than later. And you can see some of my upcycled pots here. Juice jug. I'll just cut the top off, put some holes in it. Oh, look at those roots. Wow. All right, then I have asparagus on its first year. Doing well. Then I have a Dollar Tree stackable here that I have this was a Russian mammoth sunflower. Didn't quite make it. I'm not sure why. This is a zinnia that I actually thinned out of this container of zinnias. I'm sorry, petunia. This is a petunia. That's my zinnia. These are other petunias that I planted. These are dollar store seeds as well, the petunias and the zinnia. The zinnias did great last year. And then right next to it, my sweet William, which are looking gorgeous. These are also from dollar store seeds. And the sweet William, these are, I think, growing on their third year. And the new ones, I think last year I had these three ones come up, and then the others are just volunteers. So just letting those go. But sorry, I got sidetracked. Back to the stackable here. So that was the sunflower not doing well. That's the thinned petunia. Then on this side I planted lavender, which hasn't grown yet. And then I started to make this second tier like herbs. So this one is basil, dill, and thyme. Basil, dill, and thyme, planted just about a week ago. A little over a week ago. Then this one, I believe is, this one's lavender. Sorry, so I misspoke earlier. This one is lavender. And then this one is actually butter crunch lettuce. So we have a couple seeds that have germinated so far. So since this is the lavender, then that's not the lavender, but I cannot remember what I planted there. I wrote it down in my little garden journal, so I will insert it on the screen. Sorry about that. And then finally, I have potatoes. These are started from some store-bought organic Yukon Gold potatoes. I grew these last year, so I'm kind of using some lessons I learned from last year to grow these. Last year I put too many potatoes in it, so this year is only 2, and so far doing great. It's probably, I want to say we're maybe about 5 weeks since I planted these, so they're doing great, and I will definitely do another video on digging them up. But that is everything. Like I said, not quite organized here. I do have plans to add more to the stackable, just haven't gotten around to it yet. And clearly I need to up-pot things, maybe thin some things too. But that is where we are so far for the 2023 garden. So far I know I'm a little behind, but I'm happy with everything that we have. I'm expecting a lot of growth. This week we had a nice good rainstorm. Past 2 days, actually storms I should say, the past 2 days. There, so I could actually talk to you face to face. I was just saying we had a couple rainstorms the past few days, which we were sort of lacking rain, so I'm glad that we got some rain. So I'm expecting everything to grow pretty well this week, and I need to get some of these things up potted so they can really start to grow, and then also kind of figure out what is going where and what I'm going to get rid of, and hopefully who I could give it to. I hate to just trash these seedlings, but just unfortunately on this balcony I don't have a lot of room for everything, but I'm going to try and optimize the space that I have as usual. So thank you for watching. I will be, now that things are really growing, hopefully I'll be giving you guys some more frequent updates with some exciting things. But thanks again for tuning. If you have any recommendations or anything that you like, you think I would benefit from and you'd like to share, please share it in the comments. And thanks again for watching. Bye-bye. I forgot, hiding down here under that radish are 2 asparagus that just didn't really fit in the other pot, and they kind of germinated a little bit later than the other thing, so I just stuck them in here. Hopefully they'll do well.